Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well from wherever you are. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix Productions. I'm back with one more video. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with one of our so attractive products, which helps you how to turn your text or logo into this beautiful woolen so realistic style as you see in the images right here. Just check out how beautiful it looks. You have over 20 styles choices which you can turn your logos or text in. Just check out the solid simple text which is turned into this brilliant style. You can use it in all different projects. It doesn't matter which font or which language you want. There's no limits. Just check out the number of styles and the choices which you have right here. So you can use it in all different projects: social media, poster designs, banner designs, book covers, CD covers. You can use it in all different projects you have in mind. So just check out this logo which is converted into this excellent style. As you see how beautiful it looks, just it's done with Photoshop actions. Just check out the logo. So this is how it works on Japanese and how natural it looks. And as you see in this image, the high quality and the exact details which it gives you. It supports up to 5000 by 3000 pixels resolutions projects, which you can do so with this action. There's unlimited color choices, which is totally in your hands. In this video, I'm going to tell you about every single action and show you how to work with this product and how to customize. So follow us to the end of the video so we get started with editing. So after downloading this product and extracting out of the zip form, these folders should appear right here, which I'm going to tell you about them one by one. We have the fonts folder, which is the main fonts and the link of this file. We have the samples file, which is a catalog of all the styles which are available in this product. They're in separate layers, they're numbered. Each one has a separate number, which you would know which action belongs to which style. So we'll come back to it. We have the tools folder, which are the tools and actions which have to be installed onto our Photoshop, which we're going to get back to it. We have the user guide, which is the link of this video which you're watching right now. And finally, we have the sample PSD file, which I'm going to open. So this file is where we're going to do all our actions and editing and use the outcome in like transparent and drag and transfer into all different designs and projects. So I'm going to install our tools and actions and show you how to edit. We come into the tools. All three of these actions have to be installed in our Photoshop. There's many ways to do so. The easiest way is to drag all three of them into Photoshop and let go up here. It should be up here where this plus icon appears here. So we let go, drag here, and everything's installed. So to make sure if everything's done, just need to go into window, select actions. As you see, we scroll up. There's many actions here. You have to have a folder named Fur by Hyperpix, which we do have here. As you see, we don't need the other actions, we just concentrate on this one. So the styles which we had in the catalog, they're all available here. Just need to memorize the number, select your style, and choose it right here, as it doesn't show it right here. The very great point which it has is that these furs and hairs which you see are leveled, which you can select what level hairs you want. For example, the long size, medium size, short size. We have long hairs in two different sizes which are protruding out a bit more, or the short ones are protruding out a bit less, which you can even control these hairs, and it's excellent and can be very helpful. So as you see how beautiful our style is applied, and now I'm going to drag it into this background and design and get on with the rest of the editing in this background. So to do so and to transfer, we just need to drag these three layers into this design and background, just like this. Just see how beautiful it looks. So I want my texture as well. Do the same, drag it right here. Just minimize a little so it fits in the frame, just like this. So switch the texture off to get a bit faster. So I'm going to rotate my text a little. I think 5% is okay. Here we go. So I'm going to move it a little so it doesn't cover the model's face. Just minimize a bit with Control and T. Here we go. Excellent. So now I'm going to adjust the color so it matches the background and the temp. So we choose hue and saturation. We come into hue. I'm going to place it on about 120. I think it's excellent here. It's looking similar. So we have the saturation. I'm going to increase a little. I think it's okay right here. So now I'm going to balance the color a little. We come into color balance. So I'm going to place the cyan on -35. Decreased a little. So we have Magenta. I'm going to increase, place it here. And we have yellow. I'm going to place it here. As you see, it's looking similar to the design. Going to adjust the shadows a little, just like this. Here we go. So it's totally in your hands. You don't need to follow these numbers I'm choosing. It's based on your taste. It's based on your design and the background which you select. So I think it's excellent. I'm going to adjust the contrast and color. I'm going to create a layer between these two, just like this. I'm going to decrease the brightness about 10 levels and increase. Here we go. As you see, it's so attractive. It's exactly what I wanted. The colors are so similar. So I'm going to switch the texture back on. Move it a little. It's covering my text. Here we go. As you see, there's some white patches on the model's face which you can just mask. So easy. Switch it on. Select the white parts. Put your brush on black. And just cover those parts. So easy. It's totally in your hands. It's based on your taste. Here we go. It's excellent. So I'm getting to the final editing and give it a camera raw style to see how the final would look, just like the preview file which you saw. So to apply the camera raw style, we just need to get a copy of this. So we press Ctrl A on the screen, Ctrl Shift C, and if you're using Mac, Command Shift C and Command Ctrl and V. So as you see, we have a copy of it right now, just like this. So we convert it into Smart Object and apply the camera raw filter, just like this. Camera raw filter. Here we go. We just need to edit a little here. So easy. We have the temperature. I'm going to edit a little. Place it here. We have the tint. Here we go. Increase the contrast a little. Also the highlights. Also the shadows to have like a cinematic effect. We have the brightness. I'm going to decrease a little. We have the black, which I'm going to place here. So to have a HDR style, we just place the clarity on 21. And increase the level of the colors just like this. So we're done here. We click OK. Everything's beautiful. It looks so excellent and attractive. I'm going to apply one more text here. Add one more text. Type Fur Actions by Hyperpix. Here we go. You can type any text you love. You don't need to follow this. Don't think it's for copyright laws. Don't think like that. It's totally in your hands after downloading and after buying this file. There's no limits. You can type any text you have in mind and using all different projects. So I'm going to apply a little shadow right here and we're done. As you see how beautiful and attractive it looks, it's so realistic. You can use it in all different projects and enjoy. So you can even give a little blur to your text before we coming to this stage and before giving a camera or effect. Just you can give a little blur. I'm going to show you how. So we come here. After, for example, selecting your color, after typing your text, think everything's edited, and for example, this is my final design. Just convert into smart objects, just like this. You just need to go into filter, select blur, and like this, click OK, and here we go. So just select mask, soft black brush, and remove the parts which you don't want it to have a blur, just like this. So we'll leave the corners to have a cinematic realistic effect. If you check out the samples, it has a slightly blur at the corners and the bottom parts of the style. You have this blurriness, which is a technique which is excellent. So let's get to the end of the video. Finally, I'm going to show you how to turn your logo into this excellent style. It's so easy. So we come to the first design. We don't need this, close it. Come to this window, right click, edit content. So I'm going to insert my logo. I'm going to use Audi logo. So it's going to look just like this file here, as you see. I'm going to turn my logo into this style. So bring it here, place it in the center. Here we go. Remove the other text, we don't need them. Close and click save. So basically nothing has to happen. Right here we come into the catalogs, select our style. It's number 3. So we memorize this number, come into our actions, select style number 3, and play. Here we go. It might take a little moment. So as you see, it's so beautiful. As you see, it's so amazing. Our style is converted. You can edit the pattern. Just double click on the text layer, click edit content. In this window which opens, you just need to select the pattern. If I drag, as you see, the pattern is moving around. For example, I'm going to bring it a little down. I don't want this black patch here. I'm going to place the scale on 100 to have longer hairs, or place it on 25 to have shorter hairs. It's totally in your hands. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And as you saw how easy it was to work with this product, don't forget to come to hyperpix.net and check out our other styles. You can access this style in hyperpix.net. We have so many free files which you can check them out. Don't forget to get the VIP premium account and enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell. Thanks for watching this video. Bye till next video from Mary. Thanks for watching.